Thanks for stopping by. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I just have a project share to share with you today, and I've seen a few people do this on the internet. I will link the links below, but the base of it uses dollar store products actually. You can get gift bags. They come in a pack of 10 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. They're solid colors, but lately I've been seeing them in different patterns and stuff. So let's begin. This is the front of the book. I've used a paper pack that I got at Michael's. I believe it's Tropical Vacation. These are some of the cut aparts from that paper pad. And then I just have a pockets here. You can add journaling or photos, paper clip, embellishment. I like how it turned out. It does look very tropical. Lots of room for journaling. There's pockets here at the top. You could stick photos, you know, vacation memorabilia, receipts, ticket stubs, those types of things. Here's just a tuck spot here and some more just journaling cards, or you could add pictures. Here's another tuck spot for a picture. Here's some more tuck spots here, a little side pocket, another paper clip. You could clip a 4x6 photo here. Here's another tuck spot for more memorabilia. And here's just like a little flip. If you have little photos, you can add it to this spot. Here. Here's another pocket. You can add more photos, journaling, tags. You don't have to keep the tags in here too. You could use them for gift tags if you wanted to. Here's more journaling. You could add photos, paper clip, so, envelope. These things come out. You can add little notes on them, dates, things you want to remember, maybe from whatever you're adding to this album. I'm not sure what we're calling this. Mini flip album, I think is what it is. Paper bag gift album. Here's more tuck spots here. And here's another pocket, more journaling and photo cards, photos. You can add photos here. Every day is an adventure. Yep, some days more than others. And this is the last. Here's another pocket, more tuck spots, journals, another paper clip, and the back. So thanks for joining me. I do have another album I've just completed for my daughter, and that one is a Jack Skeleton one. I'll make a video about that project share for that, but I'll just put in a sneak peek right here. So watch for this video to post shortly. Thanks for stopping by here at Makaz Home. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I am looking for new subbies, so if you want to come along with my journey here scrapping, you're more than welcome to, and I would love to have you. Mahalo again for stopping by. Have a great day.